One mission, 7 countries, 200,000 students. This is the purpose of UOB My Digital Space within the next 5 years, empowering disadvantaged children with digital skills, tools, and opportunities to bridge the digital divide. Here in the heart of Indonesia, digitalization is widespread, but the nation is a vast archipelago, and equitable digital education in schools remains an ongoing work in progress. That is why UOB supports youths, not just with digital resources, but the time, skills, and service of our volunteers.
For me, education is more than just learning. It represents the dignity and also the future opportunity for the kids. The skill that they learn will help them to boost their confidence in the digital world where they grow in.
I volunteered to help with this program, and it's really an eye-opening to me to see kids coding at such a young age and at competitive level. It's really inspiring to see since I dabble in coding myself.
It's been almost a year since we rolled out UOB My Digital Space in Indonesia, and so far we have impacted more than 16,000 students. A competition like this levels the playing field for students everywhere, no matter where they start from. It fits demand for digital skills, and it encourages schools to support digital infrastructure for education.
Cyber wellness and digital safety is a key topic in the UOB MDS curriculum, and I deal with financial crime at work, so facilitating this workshop comes very naturally to me.
When we want to harness the benefits of the digitizations, we also want to safeguard the youth from the digital harm. I look forward to bring this learning back to strengthen UOB MBS program in Malaysia. To see the youth compete equally with each other and win, we see the big affirmations of the impact that we are making.
So volunteering does not just involve donating money, it's physical presence and support that help empower the beneficiaries. And that's what keeps me going.
Saya merasa sangat bangga terhadap diri saya. Saya juga berterima kasih kepada orang-orang yang mendukung saya seperti orang tua dan teman.
I feel very happy and very shocked that I can win. When I won, I felt so, let's go! Woohoo!
Oke, setelah kompetisi ini, saya akan belajar lagi lebih mendalami soal coding. Dan mungkin saya akan bercita-cita menjadi software developer atau app developer untuk membantu para pengguna dalam memecahkan masalah mereka dengan membuat suatu aplikasi. Dan saya juga mengucapkan banyak terima kasih kepada UOB dan Ruangguru yang telah mengadakan event ini.